Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lope and I'm the creative director of Stitchesbylope lifestyle brand. In my last video, we did a little about bead matting, and I said that I'm going to use this same beads to make a bag. So I just wanted to show you this before we then continue with the bag. So we are going to make our desired length for the bag, which is going to be about this long. So I'm going to come back when I'm done, and then I'm going to show you how to turn these mats into a bag. So let's get right into the video. So I want to show you how you can join these two mats together like this. So first, you want to take your fishing line. You start with one bead, and then you put your fishing line on the first bead on the first mat, and then the other point on the second one. So you take another bead and then you cross it. So you repeat the same process until you get to the edge. So we have the two mats joined together. So let's continue. I have just completed the mats and I did a length of 13 beads. So we are going to turn this into a box. We'll start by folding it into our length. So I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. And I want to fold it into a box. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So you take your fishing line, we'll start from the edge of the bended beads, the edge, the first two beads. And then we'll add one bead and use the second one to cross it. We'll continue the next bead, then we add two bead and use the last one to cross it. Remember I said that to make a square you have to use 4 beads. So we have 3 already, so we have to add one more to close it up. So we are going to bead through the last 2 beads and then use one to cross it. So that's how we'll continue until we get to the top. Just finished one side of the bag, no longer a map. So we are going to do the other side, and then we are going to do a cover and then an handle to carry the bag. So I'm going to finish this side and I'm going to come back and then do the cover and the handle. Just finished with the second side of the bag. Now we have our box bag. Let me know in the comment section if you have any question. Now we are going to work on the handle of the bag. So with the same method, we are going to bead a simple handle. There are basically different handles that you can use for your bag. That's where the creativity comes in. That's where you see the different designs and everything. So any handle you choose to put, whether you want to add an hardware handle, whether you want to have a cross bag handle, or you want to have a small one, it depends on you and what you want to do. So I leave that ball in your court. Just finished a simple handle for the bag, and now we are going to connect it to the other part of the bag. So let's continue. To secure, I always like to tie so that it doesn't lose, because you know it's an handle now. So as usual, we'll hide our knot inside the bead. Yeah, we have our bead band. So let me know in the comment section if you have any question or if there's any way I can help you. I hope this video was explanatory enough. So I'm going to leave you with the cover. You can decide to do any cover. You can decide to do half cover or moon cover. What you just want to do is continue with the matting method. The matting method will help you form any design of yours on the bag. Be glad to see your project and how it is going. Kindly tag or even DM me on Instagram at Stitchesbylope. If you enjoyed this video, kindly give it a thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe to my channel and let me know what you want to see in my next video. So bye guys.